This is just algebra. Show your work. Don't lose points because you cut corners. Show your work. So first of all, what do they want us to do? They wanted us to plug 1 in for x. 1 minus 1/2 a equals 0. Now I'm just going to solve for a. There's a couple ways to do it, but let's subtract the 1. That's how most people are going to think to do it. So now you have negative 1/2 a is equal to negative 1. If you want, we can just get rid of those negatives right away, right? So positive, positive, that's how that works. It's kind of like multiplying by negative 1. If they're both negative, cancel the negatives. Now, how do we get rid of the 1/2? Well, I learned that in order to get rid of a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So I would multiply by 2 over 1. And I would do that over here too. So the reason that works is if we have a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, that cancels out. And then it's just a bunch of 1s and a, and then 2 times positive 1 is 2. That's the answer. That's the whole thing. Now, look, it doesn't take us much time to just check that and put it back in and say, okay, did that actually work? Well, yeah, because 1 minus 1/2 of 2 is in fact 0, because 1/2 of 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, again, you know, if you're a little nervous, check your work. It doesn't take more than a second in this case. And, you know, people always skip the checking steps because they're like, oh, I don't have time. I need to get to more stuff. Well, you know, you can get to more questions, but if you get a bunch wrong along the way, then what's the point of getting those extra questions? Like, grab the points where you can. This is one of those places where no one should be making a mistake. So take the time, get it right, then try some of the hard stuff.